All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I hope you guys had a very splendid day. Yeah. Yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so today is the third day, and I'm excited. We only have one more day to go. Woo! Yeah, I don't know. Are you guys tired of me already? I hope not. Okay, so today's session will be very interesting. We are going to continue right from where we stopped yesterday. Um, yes, so I hope that you have already gotten to where we stopped in the class, and I have already sent the links to the recorded classes. I think I sent it a while ago. Just go to the group and check it, and if you can't find it, just tell someone to help you send it. Do you understand? So it's already there, so you can just go ahead and follow up. Today we are going to be turning that ugly looking website that we saw yesterday into something very beautiful. Well, we are going to take a step further into making stuffs work for us. Okay, very good. Now I think, okay, we need to open our XAMPP. I hope by now you've already pinned your XAMPP to the taskbar, and if you haven't, remember that we go into our Windows Explorer, we go to this PC, open local disk, open XAMPP, and you scroll down. You are going to see XAMPP control. All right, you open XAMPP control, double click on it, and then you're going to have your XAMPP control panel pop up. Do you understand? This is your XAMPP control panel, and what I can just tell you to do is to create a shortcut to the keyboard, to the desktop, or just come over here from the taskbar after you've opened it. Right click on it and pin to taskbar, so that it's here, so that you go over the board to look for it. Go ahead and click on start on Apache and click on start on MySQL. Again, if you are still having issues with your XAMPP, it's not starting up, let's know so that we can fix it for you. Okay, very good. Again, take the snapshot, take the screenshot. Oh, sorry. And please remember, if you ask questions in this class, I might not be able to answer you now. All right. And that is because I don't want to waste time. We have a lot to cover, so I'll just go ahead and just keep teaching the class. And if you have any question, just drop it immediately after the class. I'm going to attend to them. I'm going to attend to them on the WhatsApp group. All right. Yeah, but don't forget to just drop your questions and drop your comments. So let's get right into it. Hope your laptop is in front of you. Okay, I think where we stopped the last time, let me go to, okay, I think let me open my Firefox. Okay, very good. It's not connected. Okay, very good. So just go ahead and do localhost. Don't forget, when you want to have access to the website you were creating before, please listen and listen very good. If you want to have access to the website you're creating, you just do localhost. This is localhost slash your website's name. Mine is unique fashion. That was the one that I was creating. Don't forget. And just do, after you do localhost slash your website name slash wp-admin, this is what will take you to your administrative dashboard. Remember that administrative dashboard that we created? Yes. Just might ask you to relog in if you don't click on remember me. It might ask you to relog in. Just go ahead and log in with the password and the username that you created the other day, that you created yesterday. Just go ahead and log in with it. It might take a while, but if your XAMPP is running correctly, it will eventually load up. Just leave it for a while, it will load up. All right, we're just going to give it a while for it to load up. And again, as usual, I'm also recording this class so that you can have access to it later on. All right, okay, very good. So this is our administrative dashboard, and if it just asks you to log in, just go ahead and log in with the username and password, or email and password that you set yesterday, and then you're going to have access. So there are just a few housekeeping that we have to do before we continue. All right. If you are here with me now, if you are here with me, just type yes. Click on the ask question button and type yes if you are here on the screen with me before I continue. Now I'm still waiting. I'm waiting to see how many of you guys are with me before I continue. You just keep typing yes. Just type yes. Click on the ask question button. Type yes. So that so I can know the number of people that are with me. Okay. All right. Very good. So come to settings here. You can see settings here. Click on settings. I'll click on settings. All right. Now remember when we were setting site title and site tagline, go ahead and change site tagline to something, maybe something nice. The best fashion shop ever. Just send it to whatever tagline you like. Leave the rest, and then your email. Change the time zone. The time zone we are using in Nigeria is UTC +1. Whatever country you are right now, just set the time zone to what your time zone is. And week starts on Monday for me. Just click on save changes. Immediately after you are done saving changes here, come to reading. No, well, not reading. Yeah, come to permalinks. Let's do permalinks first. All right, come to permalinks. Click on permalinks instead of choosing your URL structure. Can you see this is how the URL structure looks like right now? There is date and time inside it, and we don't like that. So we want to use post name. Click on post name. Post name is the best URL structure. Click on post name and go ahead and save changes. All right, go ahead and save changes. Immediately after that is done, maybe you click on readings and let's see what we can tweak on the readings. Blah blah blah. Just leave it. We're going to do that later. Again, don't click on search engine discourage. Leave it alone. All right, so we're going to deal with this place later. Very good. Few housekeeping. Now, okay. Immediately after we are done with this, I need to tell you guys something about themes. WordPress themes, right? Remember, this is how our website looks like right now. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. It's not the best looking website ever, but this is how it looks right now. That is because of the theme that is currently installed on it. Now, let me tell you something about WordPress themes. Themes are very good for our lives. They are very good, very beautiful people, very amazing people. They've taken their time to write, to develop some themes that people like you and me can use, and it can immediately transform how our website looks, right? So let me show you. Just go to appearance and click on themes. Now, themes defines the basic building block of how your website is going to look like. This is this is the theme panel, right? This is the theme section right now. The theme that is currently installed is called 2021. This is the one that is currently installed. You can see this is 2019. This is another theme. If I activate this particular theme now, this is the theme that is currently activated. But if I activate another one, you will see that themes actually defines how our website will look. Do you understand? I have activated 2020. So, all right, if you come over here, this is how it looks now. Let me refresh this page. You will see that our website now has a new look. Do you understand? Our website now has a new look. That is because of the recent theme that I just changed. All right, please, can you see? Now let me bust your brain. These are the ones that we currently have installed. They came like when you install your WordPress, they came with it pre-installed, right? So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on add new. We're going to click on add new to add a new and a beautiful theme, that will make our website looks very beautiful. Now I will show you guys something amazing. When I click on add new, something very beautiful will happen. All right, see all the themes that are available for us to use. See all the themes that are available for us to use. These are actually the featured ones. These are the featured ones. Do you understand? You can go to popular one, or go to favorite, or go to latest. Just click on the popular. We actually literally have thousands of them, like thousands and thousands of themes right here. Do you understand? These are the most popular ones that people use. These are the most popular ones that people use. Just see, just installing this one will give your website an entirely beautiful view. See, this is used for if you want to build blogs. Can you see that this looks like a blog, and this looks for like a food website. This looks like you want to build, I don't know, guys, just go ahead and check it out and be happy. If you want to build a newspaper website, and this looks like an e-commerce website. If you want to build an online shop, and just go ahead and check me. Yes, this looks very beautiful for an online shop too. This is Envo storefront, and check this one too. Just go ahead and scroll through it and just scroll through everything and see what is available for you. Do you understand? Just go ahead and scroll through them and see what is available for you. We have like thousands of them actually. Just keep scrolling up, keep seeing the options that are available for you actually. Do you understand? I think there is still more, but there is more. It will still load up actually, because we have a lot of WordPress themes, a lot of them. These are just the popular. This is the popular, the popular tab. You still go to latest tab. These are the latest ones that just came out, and see literally a lot of them. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the one that I use. It's actually the best according to me. It is completely free and it's actually the best. And so I'm going to share it to you right now. It is called Ocean WP. According to me, it is the best, and I love it so much because of a lot of features that it allows you to have. It's actually the best. I use it all the time, and you guys have to use it here with me too if you want to follow my step-by-step tutorial. If you install another thing, you're not going to follow my step-by-step tutorial. So just go ahead and click and press search for Ocean WP. Ocean WP. This is Ocean WP. Bam. Just click on install. Alright, click on install. Now you will have Ocean WP installed on your WordPress website. Guys, let me tell you something very, very, very sleek right now. Let me tell you something very sleek. Actually, everything I'm going to teach you here, all the tools, all the software tools, all the themes that you're going to be using, all the plugins that we are going to be using in this tutorial, they are completely for free, which means I'm going to teach you how you can build a website from scratch for free. Now, typically, if you want to build a website, it takes about you are going to collect about the smallest you can collect for a website, or the smallest I advise my students to collect for a website, okay, it is installed, is 50,000 naira. Don't take less than 50,000 naira. Do you understand? I've noticed that most of the people that actually get the most out of this class, they are graphic designers, because graphic design skills also help them in better making beautiful website designs. I've noticed that actually. And as a graphic designer, you should have been seeing the opportunity that lies in this, right? I have a guy, his name is Francis. He used to design, he used to be just a graphic designer then. The highest he has ever collected for a graphic design job is 10,000 naira, and now he builds 400,000 naira websites. He builds 250,000 naira websites. The last time I still spoke to him, he said he just sealed a deal worth of 400,000, 450,000 naira. And I'm so very proud of him. I'm so very proud of him. I have a lot of them like that they are really, really, really doing well. Do you understand? Oh, speaking of, there is something I need to tell you guys. In fact, I seriously need to tell you guys so that you guys will not miss out as well. Let me do that real quick before we continue. Please just, I crave your indulgence. Let me do that real quick. Now, I think I really need to tell you guys about my advanced class on Nova University. Do you understand? NovaUniversity.org. Let me show you. I have a course, a paid course on Nova University. Of course, that one is not free. It's not free. It's a paid course on Nova University, and right now you can see it is 20,000 naira. Right now, It's a paid course on Nova University, which means you are going to pay money to be able to enroll in this course. Now, what I'm teaching you guys in this free class is just like, well, it is enough, but it is not enough, right? You are going to need to get better, to know much more before you can actually become a professional web designer. But I can promise you that by the ending of this class, you'll be able to design very beautiful websites. Do you understand? But this course is much more than that. Let me show you. Okay, now as you guys know, the major reason why I created Nova University is such that you have these people that they are already making waves. They're already making money with their digital skill. They share exact templates of how they make money online. The exact step-by-step template of how they make money online, they share it with you, and you follow this template and you get the same result in which they have gotten. And that is what I've done in this course. The exact way I make my money with web design consultancy, that is what is here in this course. Now let me just show you. It's more than 61 lectures, and currently now I have 403 students, and I'm going to tell you more about that. And also, you're going to get a certificate when you're done. Actually, you're going to get a certificate. This is the curriculum. Now, module 1 is the introductory part. Module 2, web design and hosting. This is what we had yesterday, and everything I'm actually teaching you in this free class actually kind of ends in module 2 or 3. Do you understand? You still have module 4, how you can create a chatbot. Remember I said something about chatbots, how you can create a chat robot, and also all those sweet automatic emails that you guys are getting immediately after you register on a website, and you automatically get automatically get an email. Exactly, you are going to learn that in module 7. You're going to learn that in module 7, and also how you can create your own web design consultancy business, how you can create something like Eden's Digital. This is exactly how I created Eden's Digital, and exactly the strategies that I use in this Eden's Digital that made me a millionaire, that made me exactly how I made my first million with Eden's Digital. Do you understand? And how you can use digital marketing to find high-paying clients. Exactly. Now, calm down, guys, and open your ears, very well. Now, how many of you do you guys know about digital marketing? Digital marketing is when you use online advertisements to promote your business. Now, this is exactly what I do. Do you know that maybe you are watching a YouTube video now and an advertisement pop up, or you are on Facebook and you will see an advertisement, a Facebook ads? Exactly, that is what I do. Facebook can help you find millions of people. What I do is that I target business owners, people that are business owners. I target them and I show my advertisements to them about what I do. And guess what? I just sit down. I get to sit down and be lazy, and clients from all over Nigeria, in fact all over the world, I get them to call me. I can target people in USA, and people in USA will reach out to me and they will pay me. That is exactly how I got the clients that gave me this job. Stantor store, and the guy paid me $1,700. You should calculate how much that is in naira. Do you understand? You should calculate how much that is in naira. All right, this is actually one of the e-commerce website that I built. It is still loading. Let it load fully. I will come and show you. It's pretty slick. Do you understand? Now, the reason why this is actually 20,000 naira is because I actually created this. Remember that I started Nova University last year, and I was still a core member then. I was still serving core member, and I was serving at a company called Olutu Square. Let me search Olubayo Samuel Olutu. It's called Olutu Square. It's one of the biggest tech companies in Port Harcourt. One of the biggest tech companies in Port Harcourt, guys. This is our website. Now, do you understand? That was where I was serving, and I just had a discussion with my CEO then, and we came in partnership. And we created this course, Nova University. we created this course, web design consultancy. I was the instructor, but I used the company's the company's material, the company's equipment to create the course. So it is kind of like in conjunction, Nova University in conjunction with Olotu Square, which was kind of like a big deal, a big partnership for me. And then we came up with a price tag of 20,000 naira to sell the course, and it has been a smashing success since then because of the content that is inside this course. Right, it has been a smashing success. Guys, we have, I show you the other time, we have 403 students now. Of course, some of my own personal students still are here as well, but most of them are people who actually really know the importance of this course. They've taken the course and people have transformed their lives. All right, and this is actually me. I'm still on their company's website. Yeah, this is me, Olubayo Sama, NYSC. This is me. This is my CEO. This is also my direct CTO. This is my chief technical officer. Do you understand? And this is me. This is me, yours truly, Olubayo Sama. Right. So we created this course. Okay, let me show you. This is the website. Can you see? You guys can just go and check it out. standtallstore.com. Just check it out and see how beautiful it is. All right. So that was when we created this course, and it has been a smashing success. In fact, let me show you something. All right. Let me show you guys something. I just want to show you guys something. This is Nova University backend. I just want to show you the total revenue that we have made on that particular course, and that is in partnership with that company. Myself and the company, we have a profit sharing formula. That is a total of 2.6 million and something. This is throughout last year actually. Do you understand? From the 20,000 sales of the course. You can see this is Nova University. I built all this with WordPress. That is what I'm teaching you right now. Do you understand? And this is the gross sale. This is the gross sales, 2.something million naira. Do you understand? So it's pretty solid stuff. But it was actually an honor for me. Remember guys that I told you the first class that when I started teaching people for free, actually. So I started this free class teaching people for free instead of just selling to people. So I decided to start teaching people for free, and I got a sponsorship fund from Union Bank when I enrolled in the Union Bank Rice Challenge. So I got a sponsorship fund from Union Bank to actually help Nigerians to get these skills, and it's actually a very great honor for me. Now that sponsorship fund will do something very amazing for you. So with a special coupon code, instead of only you guys that are enrolled in this free class, if you want to move forward with me, now it will take it from this 20,000 naira when you apply that special coupon code provided by Union Bank. It will take it from 20,000 naira and it will turn it to, guess what, 5,430 naira. I already calculated it so that it will be enough for the maximum amount of persons. Do you understand? It's supposed to be enough for 2,000 people. That sponsorship fund is supposed to be enough for 2,000 people, and I've already calculated that discount, and the calculated amount is exactly 5,430 naira per person. Do you understand? So what you just need to do is to press add to cart. Immediately you press on add to cart, you click on view cart, it will change it to view cart, and it will take you to the cart page. And immediately after I'm going to send the link to the coupon code. I'll send it to you guys. So immediately you apply the coupon. This is actually the coupon, but I will send you the code. Immediately after you apply the coupon, it's going to take the price from, guess what, from 20,000 naira, and it will change it to 5,430 naira, and just click on proceed to checkout. But the thing is that it is not available for everyone. Only 10 persons will have access to use this code. Only 10 persons, guys. Yes, I said it. And it is automated. Immediately after the 10th person apply this code, the code will stop working. Do you understand? Now, this is the beautiful things that will happen to those 10 persons. These 10 persons, that is the whole point of what I'm trying to do. These 10 persons will be in my own personal mentorship group. Immediately after you are done with the course, it's a set of pre-recorded videos. After you are done with the course, you are going to enter into my personal mentorship group, where me and you, we are going to work together. That is just the beginning of your journey with me. I'm going to mentor you through how you will set up your own web design class, a web design agency, and you start making your money, and you start making money with web design. Do you understand? Now, it's actually not about your 5,439, because the money, I mean, that's 10 persons. If 10 persons pay 5,439, that's about 54k. It will go back into the progress of this free class. Do you understand? I don't actually need it. I mean, come on. I have more than enough from the revenue that is even coming from, the normal sales of the course. All right. And also, my web design consultancy course is doing very fine. My web design consultancy business, Eden's Digital, is doing very fine. Trust me, very, 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 very fine. All right. So it's not really about this amount. It's about I'm just trying to give back to the society the way I know how to. If you guys know me before, I have always loved to impact people, and I strongly believe that is what God wants me to do in the surface of the heart. I think that is my life purpose. I'm supposed to impact as much life as possible before I die, and that is exactly what I'm doing, at least the little way in which I can. So let me show you something. Immediately after you are done with the course, you are going to enter into my mentorship group. Check it out. This is my mentorship group, web design mentorship group. Do you understand? I have about 40 guys in this group right now, even more than 40 guys. Oh, 51. Yeah, about 51 guys in this group right now. I teach them every Saturday for free. Do you understand? So after today, after you enroll, if you are lucky enough to be part of those 10 persons, me and you, we are going to be together every Saturday. I teach them and I give them everything they need to know, how to write proposals, because it is more than just designing. How to write proposals, how to get clients, the right strategy to use. If they're having issues designing anything, I can put them through, and all those kind of stuff. So they are in my personal mentorship class. And also, which is kind of like the catch for me here, is that I'm building a team, I'm building an army of developers that we can work together. Do you understand? Because till now, I still get some jobs. There are some people that wants to do 100k job, that wants to do 50k job, and I don't really do that anymore. So I just get maybe some of my guys that is under me. I just divert those kind of jobs to them, and then they do. Plus, I want to build people that are very, very proficient, so that we can actually work together. Let's say I get a job worth of 500k now, and I know that you are proficient enough. And the only way that I can know that you are proficient enough is because I'm the one that trained you. You've gone through my advanced course, so I can have you do that 500,000 naira job, and you can take 300. And I take 200. It's win-win for us. Do you understand? Or we can just come up with a profit sharing formula. Do you understand? In this case, I get to be lazy and not do anything, and I still get 200k soft. And you do the work and you get 300k. And it's kind of like a win-win situation, because I have the connection, I have the platform, I have the name, and you do the job and you get 300k. It's a very good deal. So that's what I want to be, because I'm a very busy man. I'm a very, 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 very busy man. Do you understand? I run 3 businesses. I run Eden's Digital. Tomorrow I might be in Abuja talking to a client, especially Live Right Healthcare. Live Right Healthcare is really, really taking my time. It's really, really taking my time, taking a lot of attention. So as much as possible, I want to free my time so that maybe my web design consultancy business, I can raise an army of designers and developers that we can run this together. But I will not trust you with a client's website. I won't allow you to spoil my name if I can't attest to the fact that you are very good. And the only way I can attest to the fact that you are very good is if I am the one that trained you. Do you understand? Let me bust your brain. Let me show you something. This is what my, this is what my, yes, exactly. This is what my proposal looks like now. This is a proposal that I created for one company called See the Vest like that. It's actually in Ado Ekiti. They wanted they want a website for their company. Let me just show you something. This is my website for portfolio. I think I've shown you guys this before, have I? I think I did, the very first class. See, these are some of the companies that we've worked with. See, Toyota Nigeria. This is a very big project, of about 1.4, 1.6 million naira. Do you understand? I will not give you Toyota projects to do if you are going to do rubbish and go and spoil my name. I won't allow you to spoil my business. But if we've worked together and we work to me and you, we are working together on a project worth of 1.6 million naira. You know the amount that you yourself are going to collect. Do you understand? But I can't give you that level of trust if you are not under my mentorship, and if I'm not the one that took you through your journey of web design. I'm not just going to trust you like that. Do you understand? This one is another website like that we did, and you see, I don't even know Ibukun Awoshika. Maybe you don't know Ibukun Awoshika. Let me Google her for you. You guys know Ibukun Awoshika now. Ibukun Awoshika. That's First Bank woman. She's a Nigerian businesswoman, whatever, and she currently serves as chairman of. Let me show you here. All right, okay, very good. And she currently serves as chairman of First Bank Nigeria. Check it out, First Bank Nigeria. Do you understand? In fact, I was very fortunate when my when my agency got this job. That is why partnership is very good. I did this, my agency is in partnership with two other guys. They are also I'm kind of like the general coordinator, but I also run these things in partnership. And we actually got this deal, and it was actually a very big deal for us. Do you understand? Although the money is not as much as the Toyota one. The Toyota one is actually a bigger deal, but then at least the exposure, right? And I'm not going to trust you with Ibukun Awoshika's website if I'm not the one that trained you. Do you understand? And this is what it looks like right now. This is the amount. This is what my proposal looks like right now. Do you understand? It's not as if I'm not sweet talking anything. Of course, I did not start today. When I was designing 30k website, where were you? Do you understand? It's a journey. You don't expect to start today and reach this level. Do you understand? All right, it's a journey. Life is a journey. You don't just start somewhere and just expect to blow like that. Of course, you are going to have your dark days. I had my dark days too, but then here I am today. I'm standing in front of you, impacting thousands of people, and also trying to show you yourself the way right now. Right. So I'm proposing a potential partnership, such that if you are in my mentorship group, if you are in my mentorship class, we can actually get to work together. And when I'm all around doing my other businesses, I can count on you that, okay, at least I have someone that I have trained personally, and I know that he's exactly a copy of me. I mean, I have these guys in my mentorship group that we really, we do stuff together all the time, and it has been amazing. I've made several friends out of them, and they look up to me and all that stuff. But that's not even the point. The point is that I'm the one that trained you, and I can trust you to handle clients' website, right? And I think, okay, but it's such a pity that it is only 10 guys that will have access. It is 10 guys. For each class, I only admit 10 people. Do you understand? I can't take more than 10 of you guys, please. I don't want to wahala for my life. Do you understand? I don't want to wahala for my life. I beg, just 10 persons. I can't come and be, trying to mentor more than. I only take 10 persons per lecture. I'm going to have the next batch of free class, and I'm going to also admit 10 of them into the mentorship group. So it is kind of like a first come, first serve kind of stuff. So immediately I send the code and I send it to the group. the first person to apply and make payments and secure a slot. You only secure a slot when you make payments. Immediately after you make payments and I confirm your payments, then your slot is secured, and congratulations to you. And immediately the 10th person make payments like this. That's all. It stops working automatically. You can't even come to my DM and come and beg me. Do you understand? So yeah, that's the thing. And also, okay, so that let me bust your brain. Let me show you something. I mean, it can't be like, say, maybe Big Sam they give us Fabu. This guy messaged me today, Kingsley. Francis, sorry, his name is Francis. Let me even show you the testimonial video that he made for me. Then he made a testimonial video for me. Then let me look for it. I think it's saying desktop, Nova University. I literally see these are my past students and the testimonial videos that they've made for me. But let me show you some of the ones that this is Francis. Let me show you. Okay, Francis, check it out and check out what he had to say. Like, I just want you to listen to what he had to say. This guy enrolled. This guy was part of, I think, class number 7 that I did. He was part of class number 7 that I did, and he enrolled. He was actually the first person to make payment. He was the first person to secure slot. Some guys actually wanted to secure slots after 10 maximum capacity has reached. I told them, I'm sorry, I can't do it. Like, I just can't do it. All right. So this guy was actually the first person, and immediately I knew that there was something special about this guy. Listen to what he had to say. Let me just, okay, I'm trying to play the video right now.
Hello, my name is Francis Adigbe. I'm a graphic designer before 2 days ago, I think 3 days ago. Yeah, but now I can proudly tell you I'm a web designer. Okay, I came across Nova University on Facebook. I saw an ad about free masterclass for web design, and I decided to click the link because I've always been that enthusiast. I've been reading a lot about it. But trust me, after that first and second day experience by Big Sam, I took the decision. Even while the class was still on, I was already doing stuff. Before the masterclass of 4 days got done, I got my first deal of 50,000 naira to build something. I think a construction website. Just from what Big Sam taught us, I was able to achieve something creative. Immediately, I did a video and posted on my WhatsApp status. I got another pharmacy e-commerce deal of 100,000. I was on that, almost done. I got another portfolio job just today of 75,000 naira, of which another e-commerce grocery shop from US has already confirmed project for me, payment to be made by weekend. I want to specifically thank Big Sam for also Union Bank for the discount they granted me. I want to say that Nova University has really impacted. His experience, he's approachable, he's kind, he's someone you want to learn from. Thank you, Big Sam. Thank you, Nova University. And I remain Francis Adigbe. My agency is coming up, and 2021 is going to be our year of millions. My year of millions, actually. Thank you.
All right. So hope you guys got that. This is not to brag, actually. I'm not bragging. I just want to show you that people are actually doing stuff. Do you understand? If you are still there thinking about being skeptical, well, people are actually doing stuff and they are moving live. This guy got all this deal before we finished the 4 days class. Like, before we finished the 4 days class, you had it just from him right now. I mean, before we finished the 4 days class, that's when he got this. All right. And just today, he sent me a message. Francis sent me a message today, and he busted my brain. It really busted my brain. Let me show you guys. I think he sent it to me on WhatsApp. Let me see. Francis, check this out. Let me scroll down. Francis sent me a message on WhatsApp. I want you guys to see. Okay, see that. Morning, Big Sam. Got a gig just implementing chatbots. Chatbots that I told you, chatbots that he learned here. Let me show you. He learned that chatbot here. Let me go back. He learned how to build chatbots here. Let me show you. That was lecture. What lecture is that? Okay, that was module. Oh god, let me check. What module is that? Exactly, that was module 5. Live chatbots. How to build chatbots. Can you see it here? How to build chatbots. Creating. Okay, this is how to create. This is where chatbots start from. He learned it here. He was lucky enough to be, I told you, he was the first person to enroll. He got the discount 5,430. Do you understand? He's one of the guys in my mentorship class, right? And he got a gig worth of 400,000. I mean, this is Francis Nova University, for God's sake. And he got a gig of implementing chatbot. Do you understand? And he sent me this VN. Let me play it for you. Let me play this voice notes for you. Calm down. Let me play this voice note for you.
Hello, Vixam. Good morning. It's been an amazing experience. I've been quite busy. That's why I've not really gotten back. Okay, there's this construction contractor with federal government that a friend works with, and she suggested me because she has been seeing my status recently about web and all. So they needed a solid IT firm to work with. So she suggested me. So to test my expertise, they asked me to create a Facebook page for them and actually tune it to a level of which I told them that is not advised professionally. Let them get a website because they had a Google business page. So they gave me the deal. I built them a website and every other thing. So I now told them that I'm going to incorporate a chatbot. So everything I built them was 450,000 naira. They agreed to pay 250 already. Then by Monday, I should get my 200 balance because I'm done with both the website and the chatbot. And trust me, the chatbot is super easy, converting and collecting sales for them, even while they are not online.
Exactly. Hope you guys had that. So this is I even suggested some stops for him here. I suggested some stuff for him here, and I also pointed into some directions in this and I'm not going to play that. And then he said he's already working on it. He got a verified PayPal account yesterday, and he is ready to start getting paid in dollars. Get that? Got a verified PayPal account. PayPal is, is a payment gateway, and he's ready to start getting paid in dollars. These are people that are doing stuffs. Right? Let me tell you something. See, these are exceptional results that I'm very proud of, right? And I'm not saying when you get under my mentorship you are going to have this exact result. In fact, most of you guys will not do anything with whatever it is you learn, right? It is only people who put in the action that will actually reap the fruit. If you don't do anything, even if you roll under my mentorship, you are not going to get anything out of it. But I'm telling you that if you do everything that I ask you to do, you finish my course, and you are ready to learn, and you're ready to learn from me, you are actually going to get results, because I've actually done it several times. This is not the only person. Let me show you my mentorship group. I have a lot of them. Here. Do you understand? And this is my mentorship group, web design consult, web design mentorship group. And this is Francis. I have Eminence, I have Francis. This is Francis showing his picture and some of his firm, some of the clients he has worked with, and all those kind of stuff. So this is actually some real stuff, and I really hope that you can see the opportunity right here in front of you. I hope you make very good use of it, and very fast, because only 10 persons. I can see, a lot of you guys are in this class. I mean, it's first come, first have, and no favorites. You can't come to me and say you want to do. In fact, it's even automatic save. Immediately after the 10 persons makes payment, it's gone. It's gone, and there is nothing I can do about it. Immediately after the 10th person makes payments, it's gone, and there is nothing I can do about it. So yeah, that's the thing. I really hope. Let me show you how to go about it. So immediately after you click on add to cart, of course you are going to click on view cart. Just click on view cart. Then after you click on view cart, then go ahead. You are going to be redirected to this cart page where you're going to have a summary of your order. Then just put that code here. You're going to put the code here, and again I will send the link where you're going to get the code. Then click on apply coupon, and after you click on apply coupon, you are going to see this amount has been removed and this amount is left. Just click on proceed to checkout. Then after you click on proceed to checkout, you are going to get to the checkout page where you can put in your name, your last name. Let's just create a fake account right now. Let's create a fake account and let's use a fake. All right, and then put a username and then select the password. Just select the password. All right, then after you've selected a password, just go ahead and use direct bank transfer. If you are using direct bank transfer, you will be you will make the transfer directly into my account, and you will send me your payment proof before I can grant you access. And I mean, that is preferable. Or you can do debit card payment, anyone you like. So direct bank transfer, you can click on place order, and after you click on place order, then you will wait and it will redirect you to the final clearance page. So yeah, it will redirect you to the final clearance page here. Do you understand? And then these are the bank details that you're going to make payment. First 10 people, please. I don't need stress. So yeah, that's how it is. For now, I think that's what I need to tell you guys about the advanced class. I really hope that the most serious ones out of you guys get part of those 10 slots. Oh my god, I think I've taken a lot of time trying to explain that. Damn, but then it's all worth it. Actually, it's all worth it. Let's continue with our class. Let's continue with our class. I hope you guys are not sleeping already. Okay, very good. Okay, so go back to your Ocean WP. Okay, you've already installed Ocean WP. Just go ahead and click on activate. So you're going to activate it. You'll be required to activate Ocean WP. Then after you've activated Ocean WP, it's going to tell you should see this pop-up, this notice here. This team recommends the following plugin, Ocean Extra. Just go to begin installation and just go ahead and click on install. Just install Ocean Extra. All right, just go ahead and download Ocean Extra and install Ocean Extra. There's no big deal. And if you come back, okay, while this is still installing, if you come back to this tab and you see, this is how our website looks like right now. If you refresh it, this is how it looks like right now. Do you understand? This is how our website looks like right now, and this is actually good. We're actually going to turn this into a very beautiful baby. Just calm down and see. All right, this is still unpacking. I don't know, but it doesn't matter actually. I just want this to finish doing its thing before we go ahead and continue. Okay, it's just installing. I want it to finish installing. How many of you guys are finished installing yours? Don't worry, you guys, don't worry. I'm going to send the link to the discount code. I will send it to the WhatsApp group so that everybody will be on a everybody will be on a neutral ground, and everybody will have equal chance. All right, just you might have an just don't mind this error. If you get errors like this, just don't mind it. Just leave it. What you need is successfully installed. Do you understand? These are just warnings. They are not serious errors. Okay, come back to your website, and immediately after that is done, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and even if you are here, go ahead and hover over unique fashion and click on visit site so that you can come here. So when you are here, click on customize. See this customize button right here, this one, just click on it. Yeah. Click on the customize button. Very good. It might take a while to load up, but eventually it will load up. Very good. It's still loading. Yes, so you should have a settings panel like this on the left hand side. This is where magical things are going to happen. So real quick, let's run through a couple of things that we are going to do. First of all, you can come to this site identity. Come to site identity, click on site identity, and this is where you can set your best fashion ever, whatever. You can do that, and you can set your site icon here. You know what site icons are? Let me show you what site icons are. You know, something like this. You know, this is a site icon. Nova University, this blue graduation hat, that's site icon. So you can go ahead and set that for yourself too. If you have an icon to upload, just go ahead and upload an icon. I don't think I have an icon here to upload. I don't know. Let me just take any image for now. All right, and let me select it. I don't think it's even going to accept this image. Can you see? I don't think it accepts this format. All right, it's not accepting this format, but you guys will get the point. Immediately after you are done, it's going to be like this. This is how your site icon is going to look like. All right, you get the point. You get the point. My throat is dry. Don't mind me, that's why I'm clearing my throat. I've been talking since morning. All right, let's continue. So from here, I mean, you know what site title does now. It will give your website something like this. You can go to menus. Let's do menus. Go to menus. We don't have any menu created now. Just click on create new. All right, don't forget, click on menus, click on create new. All right, just name it anything. You can name it Big Sam's menu, my menu, yesterday's menu, anything you want to name your menu. But most of the time I like to name it, since we want to create a main menu right now, so I'll just go ahead and name it main menu, so that I can always remember that it's a main menu. And just click on main here so that we're going to know that it's the main menu you are creating. Click on next. Yeah, after you click on next, now it's time to add items to our menu. Click on add items. So please guys, just tell me, what are the pages that we do have on our our normal website. Of course, you're going to have home page. All right, write home, just add, and you are going to have, let's say, you're going to have services, the services page. You're going to have a services page, and you are going to have about us. You're going to have an about us page, and you are going to have, let's say, a what else? I'm forgetting. You guys, please tell me. FAQ page. Let's say FAQ page, frequently asked questions, and let's say contact us, please. Contact us page. Contact us, and so on and so forth. I don't know, maybe shop. You might want to add a shop page. If your website requires that, just add a shop page. Okay, very good. Always publish your changes. Go ahead and publish your changes. Can you see we now have main menu here? We now have our menu here. Do you understand? It's already looking like a website. Calm down. Calm down. We're still getting there. Do you understand? Now let's say you want to rearrange these things. You can bring, let's say you want to bring shop upward. You can just drag shop from here and drag it here, and then shop it will be rearranged. You can drag it, you can drag anyone you want, you can drag it anyhow you like. Let's say I want services, I want shop to be under services, or I want services to be under shop. I'll just carry, I want it to be a sub element under shop. Just carry services and indent it forward a little bit like this under shop. Can you see? It's not working yet. Just carry services, indent it a little bit under shop, and it will load. Yes, exactly. Check this out. You can see that services is now like a sub element under shop, and you can do the same thing for here. Indent it under shop too. No, indent it under shop, and can you see you now have services and contact us under shop? But I don't want to do that. Just return them back, and align them like this. So publish your changes. So you get the point. Now let's get out of here. Since we are done doing the menus. Leave widget alone for now. Home page settings. Of course, we want to display a static page. Click on static page and select home page to be home. Remember that we just created a couple of pages now. Do you understand? We created a couple of pages now. We created home, we created services, about us, FAQ, and other stuff. So select home. We want home to be our home page. That is the page we are selecting for our home page. Do you understand? Click on publish and get out, and come to general options. Open general options, general style, general styling. Of course, this is where you can choose the general color, the color theme you want for your website. Let's say you want it to be red. Can you see that this color is now changing to red now? This color here is changing to red. And if you hover over these things, it's changing to red. Very good. So primary over, you want to make it a darker shade of red. Yeah, that's good. And you want to maybe if you want to select a background color, I don't know why you would want to do that. It looks terrible, so I'll just leave it as white. And okay, links color, you can change links color if you want to. So publish your changes too. Oh my god, we've spent a lot of time. Gee. Let's continue. So general settings, I mean we are done from styling. Get out of there, publish your changes, general settings. General settings, just check out, guys. You can come here and see a lot of things that are available for you to do. Do you understand? General settings, container, white box, separate, markup schema, a lot of other things, mobile, sidebar, content, whatever. Just come over here and and check out the things that you can do. Get out of here, come to page title. Now this is page title. See this big thing right here? I don't like it. This thing that is saying this is not how good websites look like. And this top bar here, they call this one top bar. I don't like top bars. Top bars are good. I mean, you can use top bar sometimes. In fact, Nova University has top bar. Let me show you. Nova University has top bar. All right, I'll show you. Let me show you. Of course, you guys have seen. This is a top bar. So top bar is a good place. This black top bar here is a good place for you to display your contacts and all that stuff. But me, most of the time, I don't really use them. I don't really use it in a website. But of course, if you like it, I mean, knock yourself out. You can leave it. But I will be removing it. I'll show you how to remove it and how to, for the sake of this tutorial, just go ahead and style. Okay, so style, make it hidden. Just click hidden, and it will go. Do you understand? That's how you can. And if you want to bring it back, change it back to default, and it will come. And you can change it to background image, and you can set a background image for it, and it will look beautiful. You can set a background image for it. Let me see, maybe if I can. I don't know. You can set a background image for it. Wait though. Let me find a very beautiful image so that you can see. Let me just select this one so that you can see how it will look like. Choose image. Here you can see. So you can have it like this. But this is not how you do. This is not how you do an hero section. Actually, I'm just showing you what is possible. Although I'm not going to do this, I'm just going to do default. Sorry, not default, hidden. I'm going to do hidden so that it will be gone. Do you understand? So if you have any other things to do here, you can come over here and do it. Just play with these things and see the changes they make to your website. I don't want to waste time. So let's get out of here and also come to scroll to top. This scroll to top thing, this scroll to top thing, the little button that will be around the bottom left corner that you can click on, that will take you back. Let me show you. Nova University, this thing, such that when you click on it, it will take you back to the top. Exactly, that's what we are talking about here. So If you want it in your website, you can put it. You can select the type you want. You can, the position you want it. It's not showing right now because there's nowhere to scroll to. You can choose the radius. You can choose the background color. What color do you want it? The over, when people over it. Check this out. When you over this one, it gives you this purplish, this light purplish kind of color. I don't know what you call it. Is it lilac or whatever? Do you understand? And when it is not over, it is transparent black. And when you over it, it is, you get the point. That's what I'm talking about. So you can set that here. Always publish your changes. Get out of here. Leave pagination alone. Of course, leave the rest. I don't know. You can come over here and check out what they do, but leave the rest for now. Typography. This is where you set what your fonts will look like. Come over here to let's change what the main menu will look like. Font family. I like Poppins. Just go ahead and search for a font called. Just search for font of your choice. But me, I like Poppins. Where is P now? Poppins, very good. Check out Poppins. Aha, Poppins looks very beautiful. And I want to change the weight to 400. And text transform is actually, let's make it capitalized. And pixel, let's change it to 14 pixel. 14 pixel is good. And let's give it a little bit more letter spacing. This looks nice. And publish. Of course, you can go ahead and mess with other, other typographies too, as you see fit. But I'm not going to waste time. Top bar, this top bar right here. Let me show you what you can do with it. You can go over to general. You can, uncheck this to disable top bar, and it should be gone. Do you understand? And if you want to use it, you can enable top bar. Then after you enable top bar, you can do the major settings here. You can set the color. You can set the background color. You can set it to black. You can set it to whatever you want to set it. Right? And you can come out here and put the content. You can put the content. This is where you want to put whatever nonsense you wish to put. But I don't like it, so I'm going to remove it for the sake of this tutorial. And you can leave it if you want. Let's get out of here. And also header. Yeah, you can come to header. Go to general header settings. What kind of header do you want? This is the header right here. Minimalistic, minimal header. Do you want a transparent header? Transparent header means it will be transparent. Of course, you can see right through it, just like Nova University header. You can see it is transparent here. You can see the image right under the header. That is a transparent header, but as you scroll, it changes to normal header. You can see this is a transparent header. All right. So you can do that if you like. You can change this to top menu if you like. But I don't think I like that. I don't like top menu. It looks terrible. Or you can change it to full screen. Why the hell would you want to do that? So when you click, it takes over your screen like this. Well, it's not bad, but then I'm just not digging it. Center, which looks terrible. The last time I checked, it looks very terrible. I don't like it at all. Let me see. Very terrible. Why would you want to do this? It looks very terrible. I don't know. Medium, vertical, custom header. So just choose minimal for God's sake. What are you looking for? So if you want an header bottom and all that kind of stuff, just come header background. You can mess with header background the way you like. There are color options. You can choose out of color platelets and be creative. You understand? I'm going to go ahead and change it back to default white. And header height. How big do you want your header to be? This is actually pretty sleek. Let me show you the responsive mode. Let's say I want my header to be like this on desktop. This is desktop view. See this navigation panel here. This is how it looks on tablet, and this is how it looks on phone. You can actually see how your website looks on tablet and phone. You can customize it. And if I want this header to be bigger on phone, I can set it to be bigger on the phone. Do you understand? And it will be completely unaffected when you come back to laptop. You understand? It's called responsive mode, and this is one of the things that WordPress has that that is very amazing. Do you understand? So you can go ahead and publish your changes. Get out of here and let me show you. You can do logo, or you can upload a logo. I actually don't have a logo. I don't want to start looking for logos to upload right now, so I don't know. I don't know. Let me see if I can get the logo. Oh yeah, let me upload this logo. Very good. Let me select this, keep dropping, and yes, this is how the logo looks like. Of course, you want to resize it. This is Nova University logo. Let me just use this like this. Exactly. This is how it looks like on mobile. Not bad. I mean, it looks too big on mobile. It looks too big on mobile. Very good. And if you go back to desktop, I mean, it does not affect the size you set. That's beautiful. You can also check it out on how it looks on tablet, which is pretty sleek. I don't care. It's fine. So just go ahead and save your changes. Let's go back to desktop view. Get out of here and come to menu. You can do whatever it is you like to menu. Let's say, well, you can make it center if you like. You can make it left if you like. Make it right. That is good. And maybe you want to, you want to add an effect. Maybe you want to do this underline down, underline from left. Select underline from left, and if you click on it, you see it will underline it from left. That is something similar that I did to Nova University. You see, do you understand? It is also underlining it from left. Do you understand? So, which is very sleek. If you want, and if you want to remove it, I don't care. I mean, do whatever it is you like. Don't mind me. Do whatever it is you like. So let's get out of here too. Let's go to, yeah, sorry, today's class is long. I mean it has to. So come to mobile menu, social menu. You can enable social menu. Enable social menu if you want to put some socials in your in your, let's say you want to put a Twitter account. You put your Twitter account link here. You put your Facebook account link, you put your Instagram account link, and some of these account link you can fill them up. Do you understand? You can fill them up and see. And menu. Go back to menu. There's something I want to do. I want to deactivate this search icon. I want to deactivate it. I just keep scrolling down. This is where it is. Search icon. Check it out. Search icon. What kind of search icon do you want? It is drop down right now. Drop down. This is the drop down. If you want it as header replace, it will replace header. Once you click on it, it will replace header, and then you can search for whatever it is you want to search. Can you see? These are your social menus. Alright, and you can make it an overlay such that when you click on the search, it will take over your screen. But I just want to disable it so that you won't see it at all. It will go. Do you understand? And if you want to mess with the of course, if you want to mess with the social menu, you can come over here and increase the font. You can increase the font. You can increase the font, do some paddings and all those kind of stuff. I don't know. All right, so let's go out. Mobile menu. Come to mobile menu, and let's see how it looks. Change to mobile star. All right, change to mobile star. And mobile menu is currently drop down. Yes, drop down is good. Or you can do here. You can just uncheck this on display. Menu text. You can use full screen here. Full screen looks fine here actually. Full screen, you can use full screen here actually, or you can just use your drop down. JJ, don't use sidebar. This sidebar does not look good. I don't like it personally. Do you understand? So you just use drop down. And menu test, we've already disregard that. And hamburger, I like arrow. There is arrow reverse. Elastic reverse. I like elastic reverse. I always use elastic reverse. Do you understand? It will give you this kind of beautiful beautiful animation, and I want to remove this search. Let's go ahead and find mobile menu search, remove it, uncheck it, and it will be gone. On this mobile menu search, it's gone. It's looking sleek already. If you want to change any color, go ahead and mess with these colors and see which one is changing. Actually, if you really want to get this, the best way for you to get it is to practice, and that is why we are on localhost. We get to practice very well. So get out of header, and what else do we want to check? Footer bottom, footer widget, footer bottom. This is footer bottom actually right here. Copyright 2021 Ocean WP by Nick. You can change this 2021. See, don't mess with this Ocean WP date. It means it will be automatically updating the date for you. If it is 2022, it will automatically change to 2022 for you. Do you understand? So leave it inside bracket Ocean WP date. You can just type your name. You can just put your name. Created by Big Sam, or you want to put the copyright of your company. Maybe Dance Digital or whatever your company is about, or Unique Fashion, Unique Fashion Incorporated. You get the gist, and then you go ahead and publish it. So get out of here. Yeah, are we done? I think we are done here. Yes, very good, we are done here. And immediately after we are done, make sure you have published your changes and click on X and get out. Do you understand? So this is how we've already successfully created our menu. This is what our menu looks like right now. Of course, you can always do better. Do you understand? You can always do better. Just go ahead and spend more time. I'm just trying to show you what is possible. I'm not actually caring about aesthetics and how beautiful it looks right now. Just trying to show you as much things that are possible, so that you can know what to do when you want to get as creative as possible. So let's go back to our dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. I think we should kind of end to this class here. Before we end to this class, actually, let me tell you about plugins. Plugins are things that we install that add extra functionalities to our website as well, and they're actually very good. Before we go, let's just work on one page. Let me show you let me show you the worst way you can create a website in your life. The worst way. Never create a website like this. Let me just show you. Click on pages and come to home. See home here, and see home here. Go ahead and click on edit. This is our home. Just you see, remember that we created that when we were creating menus. So this is the platform where you can create your website. Please come here, come to this gear button, this settings button, click on it. Click on this, go to page. It's under block. Just go to page right now and scroll down, come to this template. Okay, just leave it like that, default template for now. Change it, leave it as default template, and come over here. Okay, don't mind me, I'm tired. I've been talking since morning. Come over here and do layout, do 100% full width, do 100% full width. Just scroll down. If you don't see this Ocean WP settings, it means you've not installed Ocean Extra. If you have installed Ocean Extra, you're going to see it. All right, content layout, select 100% full width and click on update. Immediately after you've done that, just scroll down, just scroll back here, and then you can start putting your website content. This is the website I'm creating, and type whatever you want to type. Sorry, I'm clearing my throat. My throat is already very, very dry. I've been speaking for almost 1 hour 30 minutes now. It's crazy. All right, you can go ahead and add more blocks. Of course, you can add an image. You can add an image block, upload. This is not the image I want to put. Images, put this. Do you understand? Put images. Now update. Then after you update, and then preview. Preview a new tab. Let's see how our website looks like right now. Can you see? This is how your website looks like right now. See, This is the text that I added, and this is the image that I added. It looks very terrible. All right, so I just want to show you. I mean, you get the point. When you have this kind of interface, just like just like Microsoft Word, you can do all this kind of stuff. But let's remove all these ones. Remove block and remove this block too. Now I'm going to show you the best way to create a website. I mean, to create something that looks like this, something that looks like this, something that looks like this, right? This is an healthy food website. This is a food blog. This is a food blog that I created for someone to. I created this for someone too. This is a food blog. Immediately after I finished creating it for them, I add it to my portfolio, so I can tell people that, oh, this is what I've created for people, and then they will see. They will be like, oh my god, you are very good. You can handle our website. Do you understand? You also want to learn to create portfolio for yourself too. As graphic designers, when anybody want to, I mean, for graphic designers, I want you know the importance of portfolio work. When anybody wants to give you work, they will ask you that, where is your portfolio? You can show them some of the things that you've done, and they'll be like, oh my god, this person is actually very good. Do you understand? So from here, I think in our next class, I will show you how you can create something that looks very beautiful like this. And trust me, in the next class, which is tomorrow, finally tomorrow, I'm going to teach you how you can create beautiful stuff like that. And yes, well, I really have to stop right now. I'm very, very tired. I'm very tired and my throat is dry. Right, so thank you guys very much for for staying through the class today. I know today's class is long, but I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. But I seriously hope you guys will, you guys will you will be lucky enough to be part of those 10 people, right? I'm going to send the link to the group, and please don't forget what you stand to gain. I'm actually a very busy person, so in fact, to prove that to you, let me show you something. Let me show you this video right here. Let me show you this video. Check this out. Check this out. I'm a very busy person. From live right healthcare, I travel all over the place, attending meetings and all those kind of stuff, things like this. So I don't really have time. This was when I was in Nairobi, Kenya. We went for, this is my business partner right here. We went for a business meeting. This is an hotel in okay, this is actually when we were in Abuja. Actually, we went to seal a business deal in Abuja. Then after we finished the business deal, this young beautiful lady was giving us a tour of the office right there. I was actually thinking of moving our company to to Abuja then, but the thing is that operation cost and all just skyrocketed, so I decided to stay back in Ibadan for now, and because of operation cost. And when you're running a company, you have to think of you have to think of just more than your own personal taste and exquisiteness. So yeah, it was an amazing time here. But then I'm just showing you this to know that things like this happen all the time. In fact, tomorrow now I might be in Abuja doing something, or be in Lagos meeting up with the clients, especially this web design business. People want to they want to see you when they want to, let's say they want to sign a deal of 1.4 million naira to you now. They have to see you, and you have to defend the project, and then you will have to speak to them, and they will require you to sign some lawyer documents and all that stuff. So I'm not very stable somewhere, and I have a lot of these meetings to attend, so I can't be attending meetings and still be sitting with laptop and designing stuff. That is why I'm really looking for people that we can work together, right? And again, I've told you, and I will still be telling you, I will not trust you with a client's website if I'm not the one that trained you, because if you build rubbish, it will be in my own name, and I won't want someone that will spoil my name. I want someone that will spoil my business. Do you understand? So yeah, that's how it is. I really hope you've enjoyed today's class. and God bless you. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Please don't be late for tomorrow's class. All right, don't be late for tomorrow's class. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.